Let's talk about something that's quietly on everyone's mind. AI, artificial intelligence. Some people are saying that it is taking over jobs, replacing creativity, and maybe even planning to rule the world someday. Sounds like a movie plot, right? But here's the big deal. AI replacing human isn't just a science fiction anymore. It's already happening in some places. Today, I'm breaking down why this is happening and what it means for us. First of all, AI didn't just appear out of nowhere and start causing chaos. It's been sliding into our lives for years. Think about self-checkout machines at grocery stores, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, and those annoying chatbots that always seems to misunderstand your questions. AI is everywhere, quietly taking over the stuff humans used to do. But here where it gets wild. It's no longer just about replacing humans in repetitive tasks. AI has leveled up. Companies are using it to write blog posts, create art that could hang in the gallery, and even code softwares. And here's the thing, it's not slowing down. AI is moving into spaces we never thought possible. It's automating industries, enhancing creativity, and yes, even sparking debates about ethics in jobs. But honestly, isn't it fascinating to think about how we are living through this tech bomb? A world where machines aren't just tools anymore. They're creators, thinkers, and in some cases, decision makers. So yeah, AI didn't just show up yesterday. It's been building up one innovation at a time. And as much as it's amazing, it also raises the question, what's next? So why is AI replacing us? Well, let's face it, AI is fast. Like really fast. Take writing, for example. A human writer might spend hours brainstorming, drafting, and editing an article. But AI, boom, cranks out a fully structured essay in, 30 seconds. That kind of speed isn't just impressive. Second reason, it doesn't complain. No sick days, no lunch breaks. AI doesn't postpone or get burned out. It worked 24/7 without missing a beat. And companies absolutely love that. Why deal with all human hustles when they can get non-stop productivity from a machine? And here's the kicker, the third reason. AI is getting smarter every single day. It's not just mirroring human behavior anymore. It's actually learning. It picks a pattern, processes insane amount of data, and often outperforms humans. Take stock trading, for example. AI can analyze billion trade in mere second. Meanwhile, I can't even decide what to eat for the dinner in that time. AI is evolving to a point where it can do things we can't even imagine, things some of us might struggle with, and yeah, it stings a bit. Realizing that machines can sometimes outshine us. So the real question is, what does this mean for us? Are we being replaced, or are we just making room for something new? Alright, so what jobs are already feeling the heat? Let's kick things off with factory workers. Machines has been creeping into manufacturing for years. Robot can build cars, assemble electronics, and probably handle flaming torch if someone programs them too. Meanwhile, humans, we take coffee breaks and accidentally drop stuff. Next up, delivery drivers. Ever heard of those autonomous delivery drones and self-driving trucks? Yeah, they are not just science fiction anymore. They are real and they are coming. Imagine a drone delivering your pizza faster than you can find your slippers to answer the door. And let's be real, it won't accidentally eat a slice on the way. And here's the real shocker. Creative fields, writers, artists, even YouTubers. AI is sneaking in here too. It's generating scripts, editing videos, and creating art in just a few clicks. Like I'm over here trying to pick the right font for thumbnail, and AI's out here designing masterpieces in seconds. It's scary how good it's getting. And honestly, it's a bit humbling. I mean, I can't even fold a fitted sheet properly, and AI's out here composing symphonics and editing videos like a pro. It's a new world where creativity isn't just a human thing anymore. It's machine thing too. And what's next? At this rate, even coffee makers might be replaced. Imagine a robot making your milk coffee with perfect form art every single time. The point is, no one is totally safe. But hey, maybe we're not being replaced. Maybe we're just leveling up. Okay, before you start panicking and deleting your resume, let's take a deep breath. AI isn't all bad. Seriously, sure, it's replacing some jobs, but it's also opening the doors to the new ones. I mean, someone's gotta train these AI systems, right? Someone's gotta monitor them, fine-tune them, and make sure they don't suddenly decide to take over the world. Okay, maybe not that much dramatic, but you get the idea. And here's the thing, AI is just a tool. Think of it like a super smart assistant, not a total replacement. It's there to make your work easier, faster, and dare I say, more fun. Like instead of spending hours editing a video frame by frame, AI can automate all the boring parts so you can focus on the cool, creative stuff like adding epic transition or figuring out how to make that thumbnail pop. Plus, let's be real, AI isn't here to steal all the glory. It can do things, a lot of things, but it still needs us. It can't brainstorm wild ideas, bring human emotions into storytelling, or figure out why Wi-Fi isn't working. Because that's a skill only human truly master. So yeah, AI is changing the game, but it's not here to bench us. It's here to be our MVP teammate. It's a reminder that we're stepping into the future where humans and machines team up. And honestly, that sounds pretty awesome, doesn't it? So how do you make sure AI doesn't replace you? It's actually quite simple. Stay ahead of the game. Learn the skills that AI can't easily think about it. Creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, leadership. These are the things that makes us, well, human. AI might be brilliant at crunching numbers or analyzing data, but let's be honest, it's not exactly the go-to for empathy or coming up with a wild, out-of-the-box idea. And let's not forget, AI is fast, but it's not perfect. It can't vibe with people in the same way you can. It can't charm a room, lead a team, or come up with those aha moments that make people say, wow, that's genius, that's your superpower. So the bottom line, stay curious, keep learning, and remember, you don't have to compete with AI. You just need to learn how to work with it. That's how you stay not just relevant but irreplaceable. So will AI replace you? Maybe, but only if you let it. The truth is, AI is just a tool. It's like a hammer or a paintbrush. What really matters is how you decide to use it. Stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, stay human. That's something AI can't replicate. At least, not yet. If you want a dedicated video on how to avoid being replaced by AI, drop a comment and I'll make it happen.